Hi, I'm Jackie.
And I'm Darren, and we chose Rusch to do our renovation project. Well, we bought this home in October of 2024, and the full intent was we were going to do a complete reno on the home, which we did during the winter when we were away.
Yeah, so we knew we kind of had a bit of a vision, and we knew we wanted to kind of gut it and make it more updated and make it our own.
We expected when we were going to buy a home out here, we wanted one that hadn't been renovated, because we realized most of the ones out here needed to be renoed, and we wanted to make it our own and pick all the finishings for the inside.
Well, we stumbled on Rusch because we knew people out here had used them, and so they were one of the first ones we contacted. We saw what they had done and it was absolutely beautiful. Their customers had nothing but great things to say. We did interview a couple others, but in the end it came down to we had seen their work and it was a great recommendation, so we felt really comfortable going with Rusch.
Rusch had a great process for planning, scoping, and defining what the project was going to look like, which was important to us because we had important time deadlines. We wanted to know what the project was going to cost and what we were going to get. And that was a very detailed process that we were able to go through probably within a month and complete, and give us the confidence that we could leave it with Rusch and go away for the winter while it was being completed.
For me, I love my kitchen. I love my dining room with the slat wall. I wanted to have a bit of a private dining room, so we didn't open up all the walls in the kitchen. We love how it turned out. We love our master bedroom with our built-in closets. We no longer need dressers. Our bathroom is beautiful.
Yeah, everything about it. The entire main floor reno turned out better than I could imagine. The basement is great. Felt like a brand new home that we were moving into.